Today I'll show you a simple, powerful way to take the headache out of chasing colleagues about unfinished Confluence tasks. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to set up an automated reminder system that scans for incomplete tasks and gives team members a gentle nudge, so you can focus on real work, not playing task police. Let's dive right in. To start, we need to create something called a scheduled rule inside Confluence automation. This lets you schedule regular scans, like a routine checkup across your space, so the system handles reminders automatically. First, head over to your space settings. You'll find automation right there in the options. It's where all the magic happens. Now click on Create Rule. Don't worry if you're new to this menu. It's surprisingly user-friendly once you get the hang of it. Think of it as building a recipe. We'll just add our ingredients one by one. The rule needs a trigger, so go ahead and select Scheduled. Here, you can decide how often you want the reminder to run. For example, every Monday at 9:00 a.m. is a great default, just in time for the new week to start while the coffee is still hot. You can pick whatever schedule fits your team best. Setting this up is like winding an alarm clock. Once it's set, you don't have to worry about forgetting. Now here's a super handy part, adding a branch. Click to add a branch, which tells the rule to look at each incomplete task on a page rather than just reviewing each page as a whole. This is crucial because most Confluence pages contain more than one task, and we want to make sure that nothing slips through the cracks. If you imagine the rule as a little robot, this is where you're instructing it to check every box, not just peek at the covers. Take your time here. It's easy to overlook but adds a lot of thoroughness. For the action section, you get to decide how the reminders are delivered. You can pick Send Email, or if your team lives in Slack, send Slack message. Choose the method your colleagues are most likely to notice. But here, where things get really personal, use smart values like task description to automatically include details about the specific task and task assignee to make sure the message is addressed to the right person. This small step transforms your reminder from "Hey, someone has a task" into "Hey, Alex, your draft for the blog is still pending." That level of personalization makes reminders much more meaningful and way less likely to be ignored. Almost done. The last step is to give your rule a clear name, like Weekly Task Nudge, something you'll recognize at a glance later. Then go ahead and turn the rule on. As soon as you enable it, Confluence will start automating reminders exactly how you've set things up. And that's it. Your teams will now get timely, tailored nudges to keep projects moving without you needing to send manual follow-ups. If this is your first rule, don't stress if it feels a little complex. You'll get more comfortable each time you use automation. And remember, you can always adjust or turn off the rule later if your workflow changes. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Drop any questions in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And for more clear, practical guides just like this, don't forget to subscribe. Happy automating and good luck keeping those tasks on track.